Hi guys! So as a lot of you know already, I am a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. I'll call it MLSA for short because I'm going to be repeating this word quite a few times. Anyways, so I am a Beta MLSA at that. So you have Alpha, Beta and then Gold. I'm at the Beta version of things. So as soon as you get promoted from Alpha to Beta, you are eligible for a swag kit, and this is what my Beta swag kit looks like. Let's have a look. So this is what the box looks like once you open it. We have some Microsoft case socks, and then there's this t-shirt. So of course we got, like, you could choose what size you wanted. It says be a force for good at the back, and front mein there is this MLSA ka logo, and you have Microsoft written on one of those arms. Next up, these are one of the most high quality stickers I have ever seen, and super cute. The hexagon ones are stickers as well, a pack of 100 I think. The box also has a stress ball and a Rubik's cube. Rubrics नहीं भाई, वो तो कॉलेज में था. And a Rubik's cube को कैसे यूज करते हैं I don't know, but अभी I will do. मैं अभी सीखूंगी उसको, whatever. Now this is the most exciting part of this entire swag kit. मतलब everything is exciting, but this is the super cool water bottle. Microsoft on the front, and the other side has the Beta badge embossed. Looks very pretty. I'm really confused what these are supposed to be. Are they supposed to be like ties or what? I don't know, but that is all there is in this swag kit. I am extremely grateful to have received this, and I hope to reach the gold milestone very soon as well. I do keep on conducting workshops here and there. To know more about them, make sure to follow me on LinkedIn, and I also have a Discord server if you didn't know already. I'll have the link to both of them in the description box so that you can go ahead and check them out. But yes, that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.